I don't know.
Oh, I think you do. See?
Yeah.
Whoops.
How they do make that. Okay. Get it on. I'll make this. Make this. Do this. Can you all the chains, please? This chain. I would not do
Now the crane can put all the logs in. Watch. Look.
Now it's all catch.
There. Now the crane can bring the logs over and.
I run it over it.
There. Okay, now you see this? Look. That cranks the crane back up.
And swing it over. Yep.
Okay, now wait. We have to bring the crane down so it'll pick the logs up off the ground. Okay. You slide the log in. I'll hold the jaws open.
I do that.
Okay.
There.
Have to center it.
Now we need to crane up. Crane up. Crane up.
Crane up. Oh, the hook came off.
Ouch.
Oh.
It's hard. Bet you are having me. Yeah, right under. I'm a very big driver here. Now put it up. Wherever it jumps, I put the jump. Beep, beep, beep.
Now you bring it in and lower it.